If you're a car owner, this XTOOL A30M bidirectional OBD2 scanner is the best investment you can make for your garage. If you never had an OBD2 reader before, you need to know that not all OBD2 scanners are the same. You have a basic OBD reader like this one that only talks to your engine control module, and this thing can read your check engine codes and smog check readiness, and basically that's all it does. But this XTOOL A30M is going to read every single system in your vehicle, including your transmission, brakes, airbags, climate control, body electronics, you name it, it pulls the exact same code. I was in the market for a used car last year, so I decided to upgrade to this tool, and I was able to avoid a couple of cars that looks good but have hidden issue. So let's go ahead and use this car as an example. This is an Odyssey 2007, and I know I have a TPMS issue here because about 2 years ago my TPMS light has been coming off, and I was told that I need to replace the TPMS sensor. Eventually the warning light never stayed on anymore. I guess there's like a certain trigger that stopped working, so right now when I use my car, I don't have any TPMS warning light signal anymore. And another intermittent issue that I have with this car is that the ABS light will come on from time to time. So let's say you are trying to buy a used car and you test drive the car, it drives immaculate, but you don't know there might be some hidden issue that you will not notice while you're test driving the car that will come out later on. Okay, see, all the light comes on, and that's one thing that you usually check when you are testing the car. And then once you start the car, all those lights should come off. Right now my car dashboard looks great. So let me go ahead and scan the car and let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so to scan your car, all you need to do is click on auto scan. Okay, so I just finished the scan, and you can see right now it found 4 fault codes. So one of the codes that I mentioned earlier is the TPMS. It was able to find that. That's not on my dashboard, and also my ABS, that's not showing up on my dashboard, but it also finds it here. So that is why you really want to get a scanner like this, especially if you're trying to buy a used car. You can actually click on the DTC report, and here it will actually list down all the problems. You have the codes, and you have all the description of the problem right here, and from here you can just save this thing and send that report to your mechanic so they can understand your car better. Now if you're comfortable in fixing your own car, you can actually go into more details by clicking on diagnostic, and here it will let you do a lot of things. You can do an actuator test, read ECU information, and after you fix the issue, you can actually clear the error codes. And the killer feature that turns you from a part swapper into a diagnostic pro is the bidirectional control. So when you click on diagnostic and select your vehicle, you can actually go to your system selection and select which system you want to diagnose. And another thing that I like about this is you have your special function right here. So the special function is going to allow you to calibrate your systems. If you replace, let's say, your TPMS, you can reset them. You have your injector coding, power balance, suspension adaptation. You can do an airbag reset, Windows initialization, and EPB reset. And the best part is that XTOOL does not require you to have any subscription like other OBD2 readers. XTOOL will provide lifetime free updates on all vehicle models. So if you can look here, I actually have another 109 updates, and these are for all the vehicle models that they support. So you can actually select to update all if you're working with a lot of cars, but for me, I just select the ones that I need. So I also have a Nissan, so I'm just gonna update my Nissan right now. And by the way, you need an internet when you update. I have my phone on airplane mode right now, so I don't have anything popping up while I'm doing the demo. But anyway, you can see the update on this is just 2026-5/18. So that's very recent. I really like this system because I had this for over a year now, and every time I use it, I always get new updates for my cars. So that just tells you that XTools are constantly updating their devices. Before buying XTOOL, I actually purchased another product, and I realized that their update is limited to 2 years, and also it only allows me to have 3 cars at a time. So I don't really like that. When I did another research, I was able to find XTOOL at the same price, and I'm really happy that I was able to find this OBD scanner from XTOOL.